8 Easy Steps to Grow Your TikTok Followers in 2021. Do you want to increase your TikTok followers? You've come to the right place. We'll show you how to increase your TikTok followers with 8 easy steps you can take right now. TikTok is one of the newest social media sites, and despite its inception in 2016, the platform had a banner year in 2021. Are you ready to pique the interest of the world's more than 800 million TikTok users? Let's get this party started. 1. Determine who you want to reach out to. Identifying your target audience is one of the most crucial things to accomplish if you want to increase your TikTok followers. TikTok users, like those on other social media sites, span a wide range of ethnicities, geographies, and interests. The type of content that appeals to one group may not be appealing to another. So, before you start thinking about TikTok marketing or TikTok influencers, figure out what your target audience is up to on the platform. 2. Trends in leverage. Trends are everything on TikTok, and you can substantially boost your TikTok followers by jumping on them as they happen. Of course, just because something is popular does not imply that you must join it. Make sure that the trends you join in on are ones that your target audience is also following. 3. Educate your audience. For brands and influencers, the best TikTok video is both instructive and entertaining. Use TikTok to create valuable, interesting, and informative material for your audience. Using smart TikTok videos to communicate information about your products and services that can best serve and make your audience's lives easier is a fantastic concept. 4. Make use of hashtags. Hashtags are widely used on social media because they make it simple to identify collections of material that you're interested in. When you utilize a combination of branded hashtags, trending hashtags, business-specific hashtags, and generic hashtags on TikTok, you may help build your TikTok audience. 5. Promote your videos in a variety of ways. TikTok alone cannot sustain marketing, or something like that. TikTok isn't a standalone app. Other social media channels, such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and even Pinterest or Reddit, must be included in a comprehensive digital marketing strategy. You should be present anywhere your target audience spends time online. 6. Post at the appropriate moment. Making sure you post on TikTok at the proper moment is one of the best techniques to gain more TikTok followers. Of course, the optimal moment is when your target audience is most likely to be online. Finding that sweet spot may take some trial and error, but it'll be well worth it. 7. Create and participate in challenges. On TikTok, there are numerous challenges. We recommend that you participate in the same TikTok challenges as your target audience. Many of the most popular challenges involve dancing, so be ready to show off your best talents. 8. Engage with other TikTok creators. Keep in mind that TikTok, like all social media sites, is intended to be used socially. As a result, it's critical to interact with other TikTok artists on the site, taking advantage of TikTok's duet and stitch features to do so. Start by including product and service education into your engagement efforts, but don't be spammy, but don't be afraid to engage with other artists just because you appreciate their material. Above all, don't be scared to interact with your target audience and experiment with different approaches to draw attention to your TikTok content. You'll create a strong following on TikTok over time, which will help you achieve your marketing objectives.